Let's start with adding the rubber spacer into the kickstand extension and lift the bike over it. The safest way is to ask a friend for help. Then add the 3 screws and the mounting plate and screw it tight. Don't be a fool like me and use medium thread locker to secure the screws so they don't come off in the middle of nowhere. Screw it in. That's it, so the increased surface area of your kickstand will now distribute the weight of the bike more evenly and your kickstand doesn't sink into even soft mud. Thanks for watching and ride safe.